What if I told you this could be the most important Tesla ever made? This is the 2026 Tesla Model 2, Tesla's most affordable electric car to date. Smaller than Model 3, cheaper than anything Tesla has ever sold, but still packed with futuristic design, cutting-edge tech, and Tesla DNA. And today, we're breaking down everything: design, interior, performance, price, and who this car is really built for. Let's get into it. From the front, the Model 2 looks instantly modern. You get a full-width LED light bar, ultra-slim headlights, and a completely grille-less face, signaling its full electric identity. The body proportions are compact, but still muscular. Short overhangs, smooth surfaces, and aerodynamic curves tell us Tesla focused heavily on efficiency here. On the side, the silhouette leans more toward a compact hatchback or small crossover, making it perfect for urban driving, but still practical for daily use. Around the back, the design stays minimal. Full-width LED taillight, clean rear bumper, Tesla lettering front and center. No fake vents, no unnecessary drama, just pure, modern EV design. Step inside, and this is where Tesla truly shines. The cabin follows Tesla's signature minimalist philosophy. No traditional gauge cluster, one large central touchscreen controlling almost everything, clean dashboard with soft touch materials. Despite being the budget Tesla, the interior doesn't feel cheap. The seats are well bolstered, modern, and supportive. Rear passengers get excellent legroom for the class, thanks to the flat EV floor. And yes, you still get a panoramic glass roof, making the cabin feel airy and premium. This is clearly Tesla saying, affordable doesn't mean basic. Under the skin, the 2026 Tesla Model 2 is expected to ride on Tesla's next-gen compact EV platform. Single-motor, rear-wheel drive, power output around 180 to 200 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour approximately 6.5 to 7.0 seconds, battery range 250 to 300 miles, 400 to 480 kilometers. This isn't built to be a performance monster, it's built to be efficient, reliable, affordable, perfect for city commuters, first-time EV buyers, and young professionals. Now let's talk about the most important part, starting around $25,000 to $27,000 USD. That price alone puts the Model 2 in a completely different league. It's not just a Tesla anymore, it's a mass-market EV. And with government incentives in many countries, this could easily become one of the cheapest EVs you can buy. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 will go head-to-head with BYD Dolphin, Volkswagen ID.2, Chevrolet Bolt EV, Next Gen, Hyundai Kona Electric, MG4 EV. But Tesla has two massive advantages: supercharger network, Tesla software and ecosystem. That alone could make Model 2 the default choice. This car is made for first-time EV buyers, young drivers, urban commuters, people who want a Tesla without Tesla money. In short, this is the Tesla for everyone. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 might not be the fastest, it might not be the biggest, but it could be the most influential Tesla ever made. If Tesla gets the price right, this car could change the EV market forever. So what do you think about the 2026 Tesla Model 2? Would you buy this over a gasoline car? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future car updates. See you in the next one.